A day in my life as a work from home mom. Good day everyone! After we went to grand opening ng Lasal sa Filipino-Mexican restaurant ay dumako na agad kami sa Cebu Pier 1 para pumunta sa Panglao, Bohol. My parents brought our things and kasama namin sila dahil magsa-celebrate sila ng anniversary nila. And to add a cherry on top, I treated them for the trip as well para naman maiba and hindi lang puros sa bahay. After they checked in sa hotel ay iniwan na namin sila. Total we still have food we took out from the restaurant kanina so they will be good at they stayed here sa Panglao Alona Suites and by pool area naman sila dito. Decent rin ang mga rooms. We went to the friend of Alex at dito kami magsistay in the next few days and very peaceful ng area dito. Walang mga marites na kapitbahay. Isa ito sa mga good friend ni Alex while they were still in Moalboal and we're so glad na nagkita kami ulit dito more than a year. After a few chills sa bahay nila, we decided to go out kasi nga anniversary ng parents ko and they wanted to celebrate it together with us. Natapos na silang mag-dinner kaya nag-chill na lang kami dito sa restaurant and had some pika-pika at nag-mango shake lang ako at yung mga guys had some alcohol. Syempre, sumama na rin si Alex sa akin para di ako magtampo. Charing. After that, medyo napagod nga rin kami sa biyahe so uuwi na rin kami after bonding with them at ito yung place nila. Napakalawak at maganda ang interior. Very cozy ang vibe. When we arrived, they continued having fun and our friend prepared some foods for us as well so kumain ako at natulog rin pagkatapos. Dito rin natulog ang kapatid ko at the next day nga hangover na sila at nakatunganga na lang. Hinanap na nga kami ng parents namin kahit mas gusto sana namin that they enjoy their time together para may time naman sila. For the past few years rin kasi palagi nilang nagtatrabaho si mama. Very dedicated sa profession niya. So now that they are both retired, gusto ko na mas magkaroon sila ng time sa isa't isa. Pero pinuntahan pa rin namin sila and we went to Alona Beach and had some sandwiches as well for our brunch. In fairness, this sandwich is a bomb and we had some lemonade as well. Little did we know na hindi pala nag-lunch sina mama at papa kaya kumain na lang rin kami dito sa restaurant at nagpalipas ng oras. Napakaganda nga ng view namin kasi very tropical rin ng vibe at nasa beachfront pa kami. The beach is so inviting. Kaya pagkatapos namin kumain ay pumunta na agad si Alex sa beach. Maganda nga rin ang beach dito sa Alona at marami ring mga restaurants dito. Alex fell in love with this place at gusto talaga niyang balik-balikan especially na hindi naman ito malayo sa amin. He got some mojito at nag-chill lang kami dito sa beach and later ay may nag-approach sa akin na masahista and realized why not. It's also my day off anyway and I wanted to savor the moment to chill. Habang ini-enjoy ni Alex ang beach, in-enjoy ko naman ang massage and syempre yung parents ko kasama na rin doon. Nakatulog pa nga sila at sinulit ang 1-hour massage nila. We didn't have any itinerary today at lumipas lang talaga ang oras namin dito sa Alona Beach while nagiinuman yung mga guys at later we decided na dito natin mag-dinner. Ang ganda ng sunset dito sa Panglao. We had some Filipino dishes here. Shrimp, chicken curry, sinigang, creamy beef mushroom and hindi naman halatang na-enjoy talaga ni Alex ang araw na ito. Okay lang sa kanya na mag-chill buong araw kasi ika nga niya holidays niya ngayon. Our friends came over as well to join us for dinner and that's a great and relaxing weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!